hi boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. For today's video, I thought of doing something that's a little bit more art related. These past days, I kept on thinking about ideas for videos that could benefit everyone watching, regardless if you're an artist or not. This is how I came up with this idea that you can see in the title or whatever, and that is how to use art for relaxation. In the past months, all I have been doing is keep on coming up with ideas and keep on creating illustrations and drawings that were only meant for my YouTube channel and not for myself. While I loved coming up with ideas for fun illustration or drawing videos, it still kind of got the fun and relaxing part out of creating. Just because I often find myself just sitting there and just worrying. I would spend ages thinking about what colors to use, and then I would get frustrated because I just didn't know how to draw something that I wanted to draw. That wasn't fun. And you might ask, why was I worrying so much? Well, I was always thinking to make something that had absolutely no mistakes. And I also wanted to create the best illustration that I have ever created. I mean, I'm speaking about myself. I used to set these super high standards for myself and I could never reach them. I would always get disappointed because I was never up to my standards, if that makes sense. I never claimed I was an amazing artist, and yet I would set the bar so high for myself, and yeah, I was just never achieving. I was never meeting my expectations for myself. I feel like I've suddenly just forgotten how to just sit down and just enjoy painting or drawing or illustrating something. As you may or may not know, most days I struggle with coming up with ideas for my paintings or illustrations. Even though I love the process itself, I just have a really hard time coming up with good ideas. I also filmed a video on that topic, on creativity. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description. So yeah, go watch that if you want to. Recently, I decided to take a break from art videos. I don't know if you noticed, if you have been watching my videos, I'm sure you noticed, but yeah, I'm not creating that many art videos anymore because lately I feel more creative with my words rather than my art. And right now I am happy to say that I'm finally going to art just when I want something to help me unwind and relax. I found out that whenever I have something on my mind or I'm feeling anxious, I go and grab my iPad or a piece of paper or my sketchbook and I just sketch something on any of those mediums. And if something is gonna turn out of that artwork that I am trying to create, that's good. If nothing is gonna turn out of what I was sketching, that's good as well. That kind of helps to know that there's no pressure put on myself by myself, yay for me, to create something amazing. So yeah, I really enjoy it now. There's something about scribbling some random lines on a piece of paper and only focusing on those lines and in that moment where you are just drawing those lines. And it's that kind of activity that just takes you to a place where you just can unwind and not think about anything for at least 5 to 10 minutes. I also recently started looking more into art therapy. I found some YouTube videos, and if you don't know what that is, I highly recommend that you search about it and do a little bit of research on it, and maybe you're gonna enjoy it. Maybe you're gonna do art therapy. It's really good. You're basically just meditating and painting or drawing. But yeah, I don't really know much about this for now because I just found a few videos like a week ago or so, but I thought it's really interesting and I wanted to tell you about it. Lately, what I really enjoy doing is create my own phone wallpapers, and yeah, I just love going on my iPad and I use Procreate to do the phone wallpapers, and yeah, I just let my imagination and creativity run free, and what comes out comes out. And let me show, do I have my phone? Let me get my phone. Okay, so I don't know if you can see. Can you see? There we go. So this is a wallpaper that I did, and I'm really having fun lately creating phone wallpapers. And if you follow me on Instagram, which I suggest you follow me, I post a lot of phone wallpapers on my stories. So yeah, I just love creating art without having to put all of these pressures on myself. That's the only way I can create art. And I feel like if I did something to take away this love for creation, feeling pressured to do something or hurried, I don't think I would enjoy art as much if I would put pressure on myself. So yeah, that's one of the reasons that I'm not doing that many art videos lately, but I will get back into it. If you're looking to pick up art so you can relax in a way after a day of work or after a day at school, and you are a total beginner and you don't know where to start, I would suggest picking up a coloring book for adults. That is a great way to kickstart your creativity and to kickstart your imagination and to help you kind of ease into making art in order to relax yourself. I picked up an adult coloring book. I don't remember the name of it, but I have it around here somewhere. And I picked that up when I was in high school, I think, and I loved it. I didn't finish coloring it clearly, but it's such a great way of relaxing, and I feel like it's underrated by everyone. If you're an adult and you're not into coloring books, I would suggest just starting with something really simple or taking a course on how to draw anything that you want. Maybe you want to draw some characters, maybe you want to draw, I don't know, landscapes. It depends on you. Maybe you want to pick up painting and then you can look into the different mediums or into different techniques, or I don't know, you can choose whatever you want. I feel like if you're a beginner, it's a bit important to learn your way around with different mediums or to choose whatever something that appeals to you and go from there. Try to do that whenever you are looking for something to relax. You go and pick up whatever you know best to do. So I hope that this video inspires you to pick up art as a way of relaxation, and yeah, you're not gonna stress too much about it and be a friggin' perfectionist, because that's not fun at all and it ruins the fun of art. But yeah, I really do hope this video is gonna inspire you to pick up art if you don't already, or to try and do something artistic. So yeah, this was this kind of little short video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if you use art for relaxation, or I don't know, do you work as an artist? Let me know. I am interested to know your opinions on this subject, and yeah, I guess I will see you next time, next week with a new video. We shall see. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.